Lust and pornography are killing your future. And if you don't put an end to this and do something about it now, you will stay stuck forever. I've gone over 500 plus days on nofap and even cured my own corn induced ED, man. And today I gotta talk about this whole lust topic and just men's future in general, right? Because the world that we live in, right, is so obsessed with instant gratification and just, you see things now on the internet and it's just so many things are normalized that in the past just were not that way before, right? The things you see on social media, right? There's a ton of, women that are just dressing provocatively, right? You see ads that are, enticing men to just do whatever, right? You even see, it's crazy, right? I was in California not too long ago and I was shocked at this, that they had a billboard of someone on OF. And I'm like, this is crazy. What type of society are we living in that some of these things are so normalized? But regardless of the stimuli that is out there, right? Us as men, we have to make sure and be in control of our lust, right? And I've had some conversations with some friends recently, and it's crazy that, let's just say, you're talking to a woman, right? Maybe you two are intimate, and let's just say something happens where potentially you shoot up the club, right? Maybe you're not protected in that scenario, and what happens, right? There are two choices. Either, we got a couple of choices, but basically, at the end of the day, the woman is going to do whatever she wants to do, right? If she's going to go ahead and take a pill, right? Maybe some plan B or something like that, she's going to go ahead and do that. But at the end of the day, you put your future, right? Everything that you've worked hard for financially, in fitness, in life, to get to the position to where you're at, right? Maybe it's grooming, right? Everything that you've worked on can literally be affected by one decision, right? Who you are intimate with. And it's crazy. That decision can destroy your life, right? Maybe she doesn't listen to you, right? And she goes ahead and has the child. Then that's your responsibility now, right? But because of one decision that you decided to make, it literally affected your entire timeline, right? Maybe you weren't even, really all that into her. And then what happens, right? You have a relationship that is cooked from the start, right? The love isn't there in the relationship, and that will affect, your children in the future. And it's so crazy how, you start to see all these things and realize that the one thing that men need to be control of and take, and keep a lock on it is really the lust, right? And, you start to hear these things and do research about retention, right, in nofap. But it's so much bigger than those things, because at the end of the day, the theme behind, retention in nofap is to be in control of your lust, right? To use that energy for a more positive, experience. And when you think about it, it's so powerful, because what happens when you have that energy, right? And you have that glow, right? You don't allow, women to just come into your life and just, do anything to you, right? They can't just flaunt themselves and you throw away everything you've worked for just to go, ahead and chase them. No, you know your worth and your value, and you don't let these small things just distract you, right, from the bigger picture of you accomplishing your vision. Right, and if you like hearing about these type of topics, man, please like this video, man. We're trying to grow the channel to 1,000 subscribers. If you want to help me and you want to see some more of these types of videos, man, like the video. But what happens is when you're not in control of these things, man, you start to lean toward the side of instant gratification, right? You're not as disciplined, you're not as focused, right? You don't have the same type of willpower, you don't have the same mentality that you have all these things that you want to achieve. I mean, even if you see right next to me on this side, man, I got a whole whiteboard right here of just all the things that I'm trying to work on and do, right? There's so many things in this life that, we're blessed to have breath and to have ambition, right? And to do these things. And it's all up to us at the end of the day, right? And there's all these distractions, right? And you start to see, right, there's a big gap between, the men who sacrifice today for a better tomorrow and put in the work. And then the people maybe from your hometown, or maybe you see those people, some of your friends that didn't lock in, right? And you see they're still in the same type of position they are year after year, right? And there's a reason for that, right? It's they're not focused. And you see so many men, man, so many men go ahead and they chase tail. And it's literally a backwards game, because if you were able to focus, on yourself and what you're working on, right? And stacking the money and working on your purpose and doing all these things and just having that social life of abundance, you'd realize that, when you present yourself in a way and you have that type of lifestyle, right? And you're doing the things as a man you need to do, man, it just attracts women, right? It just attracts other people to come into your life, people of higher value, right? And it's just so important to lock down on this, right? And as someone who's done, the streaks, right? And I could even make a separate video on that, but who's done the real long-term streaks, I'm talking retention, nothing, right? For months, locked in, it absolutely makes a difference, right? And, even as a man, right, you have to understand that your decisions are not going to only affect you, right? So let's say you do end up having, a child that maybe was unplanned for. Literally think of that, right? What's going to happen then, right? It's going to affect not only your kids, but your kids' kids and your whole family line, right? Because if you're having children with multiple women, right? Now, granted, if you can take care of them, that's a conversation. But a lot of you are not in a position to really do that, right? And then you just have so much stress, right? All that time that you had to maybe work on the business, right? Be writing on the whiteboard, doing all those things, locking in, focused on your fitness, on your goals, right? You literally shrink the possibility that you have, right? Because all these other things are higher priority than you working on really the things that can separate you and get you ahead in life, right? So it's more than just retention or nofap or going on streaks, right? It's about you being in control of yourself and your decisions and your destiny at the end of the day, because all we have as men is our time, energy, and attention, right? Those are the three things we have. And what you do with those things will literally determine, the quality and outcome of your life, right? And when these other things, when you don't have control of who you are, right? And your own energy, all these other things take precedence. So the women, instead you go and you chase the women, right? Like a clown, thinking that that's going to be the way, when, you need to attract, right? And it's about the energy that you put out, right? And man, especially think about even the influences that a lot of these women have nowadays, right? You have Nicki Minaj, Cardi B, you have all these, rappers and all these negative influences that you got to be careful, right? You really got to look at and vet a woman, right? To see, is this someone I should be even spending my time with, right? And when the lust tends to go overboard, think about it as well, right? Even when we talk about from, the corn perspective, there are so many downsides associated with that, right? You have performance issues, right? How many men nowadays are running into performance problems? It's off the charts, right? Even do your own research. Don't believe me. But even if you look online, you'll start to see the numbers are skyrocketing for men dealing with performance issues in the bedroom, especially younger men, right? Men under 50. And I've said it before, but they say about 1 in 4, 1 in 5 men under 50 deal with these types of problems, problems getting it up, right? And it's all a result of society's, push towards a certain area and push towards instant gratification and lust, right? And not having control of these things, right? And acting on just your impulses and your desires, when what really makes a man is his ability to not only show up, right, for people who need him most, but be in control of who he is, right? It's like if you get into a fight, for example, or you get into an argument, one decision you could make could destroy the rest of your life, right? You go to jail for life and that's it, right? And you got to treat, who you talk to, who you spend your time with the exact same way. Because if you don't, right, you could end up in a situation that you're going to regret for the rest of your life, right? So it's bigger than nofap, right? It's bigger than retention. It's if you want to control, right, your destiny and be in charge of where you're going, right, you got to have control of your resources, and this is the way to do it, right? And you start to see that, man, these other things, right, they're really not worth it. These, temporary moments of pleasure that you think you're getting ahead, or you're dealing with stress or whatever. And that's what a lot of it is, right? Because you see a lot of people use the corn and the adult content, right, to deal with other things in their life, when the best way to deal with something is to deal with it, right? It's not to go to these outside sources and think that it's going to help you solve your problems, because at the end of the day, it's not, right? You're just delaying the inevitable, right? That you have to work on and improve your own situation, right? And I just talked to so many guys that, are in these similar situations where, they're struggling with lust, right? They're struggling with streaks. And you have to remember that this is a lifestyle, right? It's a lifestyle to be in control of your energy, right? And you look in certain, I'm gonna be honest, man, you look in certain communities and you see there's so many baby mothers, in certain communities. Of course, for the people of color listening, a lot of black communities, let's be honest, right? You see the most, women having kids young, and they don't have the resources to really take care of the kid. They're dealing, and there's nothing wrong with having family help raise a child, right? But as a man, you should want to be able to take care and provide for, those who you've brought into this world, right? And that's why we have to be in control. We can't just, let women decide what our future is going to be, right? You have to be the one to think, right? To be in control of your own desires and understand that, let's be honest, right? The purpose of being intimate is to reproduce at the end of the day, right? And you'll get so much more satisfaction from chasing your purpose, right? Chasing those goals that you have, whether it's the fitness, whether it's the fashion, the grooming, all these different things. You gain so much more from those, and so much fulfillment, right? I've met so many people just, doing YouTube and talking about these type of topics than I ever would, right? Just chasing tail and chasing the next dopamine hit. And you're wasting time at the end of the day, right? If you're trying to be a single bachelor for the rest of your life, right? That's your prerogative. But at the end of the day, you'll start to see, and I'm gonna be honest, you start to see a lot of these red pill content creators and all that, and they start to tell you, they'll literally say it, that it's not really what it's cracked up to be, what it looks like, right? To have a million different women, right? And let's just talk about the financial aspect. You're spending money on all these dates, all these things, and you're just making more headaches for yourself, right? And that's really what it makes me think of, because all these men, right? If you have family, and you have kids with multiple women, just think about all the different headaches dealing with the women, and you don't have the type of control you want over the kids since they're with their mother all the time. Why not just pause, right? And look at the root of the problem of all of this, right? Which at the end of the day is the problem of lust. And of course, not valuing your seed. Your seed can literally bring a life into this world. Value yourself, value your seed, and watch your life change. Now, if you learned something new from this video and you like these type of videos, man, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and click this next video on the screen. You won't want to miss it.